I want to show you something. Looky, looky. Look what just arrived. A package from Italy. Fragilia. So I'm gonna do one of those unboxing videos I swore I would never do, because hey, Norton VPN ain't gonna pay for itself. Fragile. We'll see about that. Could this be the most best package from the UK? Scoot over. Well, I'll give you this, guys. You do recycle. So what is this? Come on now, you're making me look bad. Okay, so what I purchased was the charge port cable for a Mitsubishi Outlander, but the eBay listing was really weird. They included this other cable in there, and a kind forum member tells me that this is for the rear motor. So this obviously is 3 phases. We will not be using it for this project, but hey, if they sent it with it, the price alone for this was good. So we're not gonna worry about this one for now. We have our part number here, 9482A150. And I think this may have a couple wires in it, and this may be for the proximity signal and the pilot signal. And yes, this is cool. Can't wait to mount this inside of the fuel filler neck, because you know that's how all the cool kids do it. I hope this fits. I'm so excited about this thing. And a little boot for it. What's with the boot? I don't think it goes on that, but we'll figure it out. This may be groundability. And we have some length. I don't think this can reach to the front engine compartment, motor compartment, but I have other ideas of where to put the charger. But yeah, I got my cable. This is cool. Well, let me bring the charger. Okay, so we got the charger, and I know nothing about anything with these things, but I'm guessing maybe it plugs into here. Sometimes the way they design these plugulators, they can only plug into one place. One looks kind of rectangular-ish, one looks roundish, but I'm guessing maybe could. Oh, that feels so good. Did you guys hear that click? This definitely doesn't have enough grounds. You guys think 4 will do? I think that's grounds. It's got to be grounds. I don't know. Does it ground somewhere on this guy? Like here? I don't know. But that's plugged in. So happy. I think I have another cable. Let me grab it. I think I have the battery cable. Okay, so I think this right here is a battery cable. for it. I also purchased this guy, also from Ook. All this stuff is coming from Ook. In the Oos, we don't have nothing. Okay, I think it goes here, and I don't know if it matters. Well, one says C. Could that mean charger? I don't know. Oh, I love perfect fits. I'm being told that there's 2 versions of this cable. There might be a longer one. Again, from friends on the forum. W309B18771. Plan is coming together nicely, guys. This is coming together nicely. I think there is a positive 12-volt battery cable to charge, but this can just be regular battery cable. I'm not too worried about that. Plus the OEM one is black and that bugs me. If I could score a pigtail for this, because you know the Greg, if I could score a pigtail for that, if somebody could help me out over there at Ook, I'd be so happy. But yeah, this is great. This is beer worthy. So we're gonna celebrate with a Pilsner. Cheers.